नमस्ते स्टूडेंट्स, नमस्ते JVNs, खुश रहो बिटिया। I JVN Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today I will discuss about the topic. Records and reports, disqualification of testing facility. Records and reports, disqualification of testing facility already discussed in the last session. Good laboratory practices. But in short, so in descriptive manner, in this session we will discuss. This session belongs to the quality assurance subject. This subject belongs to the B Pharm 6th semester students. Records and reports are under the subpart J in the CFR 19. Report of non-clinical laboratory studies result. A final report shall be prepared for each non-clinical laboratory studies, which include a detailed documentation of how whole study carried out by the testing facility. Storage and record and data is under 58.190 CFR. All raw data, documentation protocol, and final report and specimens generated as a result of the study shall be retained and shall be orderly stored in a archives. So now we come to the subpart K. Subpart K, disqualification ends of testing facility. Grounds of disqualification: the commissioner may disqualify and testing facility upon finding the testing facility failed to comply with one or more of the regulations. Non-clinical adversely affected the validity of the non-clinical laboratory study. Consequences of non-compliance. The FDA states the following consequences of non-compliance. The commissioner will send a written proposal of disqualification to the testing facility. A regulatory hearing on the disqualification will be scheduled. If the commissioner finds that after the hearing the facility has compiled then a written statement with the explanation of termination of disqualification will be sent to the facility. Thus, if it can be shown that such disqualification did not affect the integrity and outcome of the study itself or did not occur at all, then they may be important. Upon disqualification, the commissioner finds that the facility showed a non-compliance any of the grounds after the hearing, then a final order of non-compliance will be sent to the facility with expansion. If a testing facility has been disqualified, any studies done before or after disqualification will need to be determined as essential to a decision. If the study is determined unacceptable, then the facility itself may need to show that the study was not affected by the non-compliance that lead to the disqualification. Once finally disqualified, the facility may not receive or be considered of research or marketing permit and the study is rejected. Upon disqualification, the commissioner may notify the public and all interested persons, including other federal agencies the facility may have contacted. The FDA may ask the other agencies to consider whether to support the facility or not under the disqualification. Civil or criminal proceeding may occur at the discretion of the commissioner. Upon disqualification, the FDA may turn over to the federal, state, or local law enforcement. The facility sponsor may terminate or suspend the facility from doing any non-clinical study for a permit. The sponsor is required to notify the FDA in writing within 15 working days that the facility is to be suspended or terminated and why. Reinstatement of the disqualified facility. The commissioner will inspect the facility and determine it shall be reinstated. If it is reinstated, the commissioner is required to notify all persons that were notified of the disqualification, including the facility itself. Now we come to the conclusion. These regulations specify minimum standard for the conduct of safety testing to achieve great result in the minimal adverse effect. The principle may be considered as a set of criteria to be satisfied as a basis of ensuring the quality, reliability, and integrity of study. The reporting of the variables, conclusion, and the traceability of data. So this is the complete session. And this session powered by the digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. And I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve your problem by the problem resolving classes. Thank you, students, and thank you for the listening.